Introducing the Terrain Foot from College Park. Utilizing College Park's 30 years of tri-axial design expertise, the Terrain is the next step in tri-axial urethane innovation. With this high-end technology, the Terrain can achieve 20 degrees of inversion and eversion, 20 degrees of total plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, and 20 degrees of transverse rotation, putting this foot in a class of its own. The Terrain employs a next-generation permanent bumper design that eliminates the need to disassemble the foot and replace urethane parts. Utilizing a carbon fiber platform, the low-profile Terrain allows for a high amount of energy return while still being comfortable.
Hi, my name is Mark Wachowski. I've been an amputee for 11 years, and I wear the College Park Terrain. It's really easy on the socket, because the foot's so compliant, follows the ground really well. I kind of like a softer heel, so it's got a really good positive feeling heel with good return on the toe. At the end of the day, the only time I'm tired is from the work I do and not the foot I'm wearing, so.
Try the freshwater-friendly Terrain today for 30 days with College Park's risk-free evaluation foot program. The Terrain Foot from College Park. Balanced energy and comfort. Learn more at college-park.com/terrain.